Now, you know, here on Scoreline, the weekend is not complete without some golf action. And William Kaguta and Mary Kandu successfully defended their titles at the latest leg of the NCBA golf series that took place at the Nyali Country Club in Mombasa. They won the overall gross men's and ladies titles, respectively.
I'm honored, first of all, but I'm grateful for the practice I put in. Today was a pretty interesting day with the rain, but I would say this, I try simplify my golf to just try make pars and, you know, just see what happens from there. I don't try to do anything exciting with my game. So I wasn't really expecting to win, but when I saw now how the other players were suffering in the rain, by here I knew I had a slight advantage. But it feels really good. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself. I'll just go there and play. Whatever I get is what I will work with.
Very proud to defend my title. It's been the 5th year, and I thank NCBA for this tournament because they cater for gross winners rather than the other competition where they cater for stable points. So most of the low handicappers are not catered for in other competitions, but this particular tournament caters for Division A, which is gross winners. Last year we were at Muthaiga. I didn't play so well, neither did I play so bad, but I want to be among the top winners in Karen. Karen is also a very good club, and I'm looking forward to the grand finale in November.
Through the NCBA series, we are proud to provide a platform where golfers can compete, connect, and pursue their ambitions while bringing communities together through the sport.